Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are safe at home. I am Gia Joseph and I will be teaching you English language for class 2. And today we are going to begin with English Core Chapter 1 Vowels and Consonants. And I hope you all are ready with your worksheets, isn't it? Yes. So shall we start, children? Okay. So our first chapter, vowels and consonants. Okay, I'll ask you one question. Do you know the English alphabets? Yes? Tell me, how many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, it has 26 letters. Very good. So, we have 26 letters in the English alphabets, and they are, instead of telling these words, shall we sing a song, children? You will be knowing the ABC song, right? So shall we sing together the alphabet song? So let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Very good. You all sang very well. Okay. And now we'll move on to our topic. What is it? Yes, the vowels and consonants. So, these 26 alphabets are divided into two parts. Okay. They are vowels and consonants. So, which are the two parts? Vowels and consonants. So, first let's learn about vowels. Okay. So, you can take your worksheet page 1. There you can see. Okay. I'll read. You also read along with me. While I am reading, you have to point your finger. Okay. Yes. So, there are 5 special letters in the alphabets. Okay. So, we told we have 26 alphabets, and yes, we have, from that we have 5 special letters. And do you know which are they? Yes, I'll tell you. I'll tell you which are the 5 special alphabets. They are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So, they are very special, like our 5 fingers. Okay. So, the 5 special letters are A, E, I, O and U. And we call them, what is it? We call them vowels. Okay. So, which are the 5 special letters? Yes, they are A, E, I, O and U. And these alphabets are called vowels. Okay. So, these vowels help us to make the sound very clearly. Okay. In short, we'll say in every word there will be a vowel letter. Okay. There will be a vowel letter in every single word. And they make the sound with your mouth fairly open. You just say, repeat after me. I will be repeating each vowel letter for you. You just repeat after me and see, we'll look how these are making sounds. The first letter A. Repeat after me. A. Second E, I, O, U. See, you're keeping your mouth open, isn't it? So, with the vowel sounds, we can make a sound. Whatever word we are pronouncing, if there is a vowel letter, we can make that word, we can pronounce that word very clearly. So, without them, we cannot pronounce or utter a word properly. And vowels are the most important letter to form a word. Okay. to make it more clear and interesting, I'll show you a song on vowels. Okay. So we'll just see to the video, and the song name is The Vowel Family. Okay, you'll enjoy it and listen very carefully.
The Vowel Family! I'm E, I can say I'm E, met, vet, pet and wet.
I can say E. I'm pig, wig and pig.
Ha ha ha! Come on everyone, let's give the Vowel Family a big hand! I'm O, I can say I'm O, hop, bop and stop.
I'm you, I can say I'm you, fun, run, sun and bun. We are vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Yeah! We are vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Yeah!
Did you like it? Yes, very good. So now tell me, which are the 5 special alphabets, children? Loudly, say loudly. Yes, they are A, E, I, O and U. And what we call them? Yes, we call them vowels. Very good. Now this is about vowels, and we learned that we have the second set of alphabets, right? The alphabets are divided into 2 parts. The first part we learned, that was vowels. The second part is consonants. Okay, so the second set of alphabets are called consonants. Okay, which are the second set of alphabets? We named it as consonants, and there are 21 letters remaining in the alphabets. Okay, so we learned that we have 26 alphabets, and 5 alphabets are called vowels, and the remaining 21 letters are called consonants. We'll see which are the 21 consonant letters. So here it is. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So these are the 21 remaining consonants. Okay, these alphabets are called consonants. And see, these sounds, these consonants, they make their sound with your mouth fairly closed. Okay, while vowels, when we learned that we make the sound making our mouth, keeping our mouth open. Okay, but here in consonants, we make the sound by keeping your mouth fairly closed, not totally closed. If we keep it closed, how can we say the word, right? So we keep fairly closed, and with the help of the teeth, tongue and lips, we pronounce these letters. See, for example, M. See, we are closing our mouth, isn't it? Yes. N. We are using our tongue, and here R. Same here, we are using our tongue, and B. We are using our lips. So likewise, we are using our lips, tongue or teeth to pronounce these words. So this is about the chapter vowels and consonants. Did you understood the chapter, children? Yes? Very good. It's a very simple chapter, isn't it? So now take your worksheet in page 2. You can see an activity there, right? I'll read the question. You also read along with me. The question is, look at the special letters in the following words and write the words on the blanks given. Okay, you can see a box and there are so many words given there, isn't it? And under the box you can see the heading words with A, words with E, words with I, and on the next page, in page 2, you can see continuation of it, that is words with O, words with U. So what you have to do is, you have to pick out a word with the vowel sound A, E, I, O and U, and you have to write it on the space provided, that is on the 4-line given. Okay, you can see 4 lines. Under each heading you can see 4 sets of 4 lines. That means under each heading there will be 4 words with the vowel sound A and 4 words with the vowel sound E, I, O and U. Okay, so now I will give example of each word. Okay, and I will be writing on the board. Now you are going to read from the help box the words given, and you have to tell me when you find a word with A. Okay, shall we start? Can you help me out to find a word with A? Okay, so let's do it. So the first word given on the worksheet is R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Is there a vowel word A, letter A? No, isn't it? So the next word K-I-D, kid. Is there a vowel letter A? No, isn't it? We'll move on to the third word C-A-B, cab. Did you find a vowel? Yes, isn't it? There is a vowel letter A in the third word. What is that word? C-A-B, cab. Yes. So now where you should write that answer? Correct. Under the heading words with A. Okay, now I'll show you how to write. Okay, you'll be knowing the cursive handwriting, isn't it? Yes. So you are going to write in cursive with small letters, not in capital letter, with small letters, and this is the way you have to write. We are going to start from the third line. We have 4 lines, isn't it? From the third line we are going to start with C. Okay? C, A, B, cab. Repeat, C, A, B, cab. So likewise you have 3 more 4 lines and there will be 3 more words with the vowel sound A in your help box. You have to pick it and write down under the cap. Okay. Likewise, I will move on to the next one. That is, you have to find word with E. Okay. So what was the first word in the help box given there? Yes, it was R-E-D, bread. Isn't it? And did you find a vowel letter E there? Yes, there is a vowel letter E, isn't it? R-E-D. So where you should write that answer? Very good. You have to write under the heading words with E. So again we are going to start with the small letter R. From the third line, going to the up second line, R-E-D. Okay. So likewise you have to pick out all the words, okay, from the help box and write in the correct space given. And this worksheet will continue till page 2. Okay. For example, you have to find out words with I, O and U. Okay. So 4 sets of words you have to pick it out and write on the 4 line given. And when you finish writing the activity, I have given you a beautiful picture. Did you see it? What's the given? What's heading is given there? There is a picture of a girl with an umbrella, right? Yes, and it's raining. There is a small duck Did you find it? Yes, and you can color as you like according to your imagination. Okay, so this will be your first activity. Do it neatly and keep on practicing vowels and consonants. Okay children, thank you.